Fjords and Fantasies, your roadmap to the ultimate Norway adventure. If you've been dreaming of exploring the stunning landscapes, picturesque fjords, and charming towns of Norway, you're in the right place. We've got all the tips and tricks for a road trip of a lifetime. But before we hit the road, don't forget to subscribe for more travel content. All right, let's get started. Norway, with its breathtaking scenery, is a dream destination for road trippers. From the iconic fjords to charming villages, there's so much to discover. In this video, we'll guide you through planning the ultimate Norway road trip, especially if it's your first time. So, buckle up and get ready for an adventure. Number 1. Pre-trip planning, research and itinerary. Before hitting the road, thorough research is key. Plan your itinerary, considering must-see attractions, hidden gems, and the driving distances between them. Norway is a wonderland, folks, so kick off your planning by digging into research and crafting a killer itinerary. Identify those must-visit spots, uncover the off-the-beaten-path gems, and plot out how far you'll be cruising each day. This legwork ensures you're geared up for a fantastic journey. Seasonal considerations. Norway experiences different seasons, each offering a unique experience. Decide whether you want to witness the northern lights in winter or enjoy the midnight sun in summer. Now let's talk about crafting your itinerary. Think of it as your roadmap to awesome experiences. Align your plans with the season's highlights. Whether you're chasing the midnight sun in summer or craving the cozy winter vibes, tailor your itinerary accordingly. Be mindful of daylight hours. Adjust your daily plans to make the most of the available sunlight. Budgeting. Norway can be pricey, so set a budget for accommodation, meals, and activities. Consider camping to save costs and immerse yourself in nature. Now, Norway may be known for its breathtaking landscapes, but it's also notorious for being a bit pricey. But don't let that scare you off. With some smart planning, you can make those Norwegian krones stretch a bit further. Accommodations can take a chunk out of your budget, so consider a mix of options. Hostels and guest houses can be more budget-friendly than high-end hotels, and you might even find some cozy cabins for that authentic Nordic experience. Eating out can also be spendy, so get strategic. Opt for local markets, food trucks, or grab some groceries for a DIY picnic with a view. Trust me, it's about the experience, not just the dining bill. Transportation-wise, consider a mix of public transport and car rentals. Public transit can be efficient and cost-effective, especially in cities. But having a car gives you the freedom to explore those off-the-beaten-path gems. If you plan on driving, fuel up outside major cities where prices might be a bit friendlier. Number 2. Packing essentials. Pack layers, waterproof gear, and essentials like a first aid kit. Don't forget your camera to capture those stunning landscapes. Weather-ready gear. Norway's weather can be as diverse as its landscapes. Pack layers, a waterproof jacket, and sturdy shoes. Be prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way. Power up. Don't forget your camera. Norway's scenery is Instagram-worthy. Pack a universal adapter, power bank, and camera gear to capture those breathtaking moments. Documents. Keep your essentials secure. Bring your passport, driver's license, and any reservations or travel documents. A waterproof pouch can be a handy travel companion. Snacks and water. Fuel up for the road. Pack snacks like nuts, dried fruit, and energy bars. Stay hydrated with a reusable water bottle. Good for you and the environment. First aid kit. Accidents happen. Pack a basic first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Navigation tools. Whether it's a physical map or a reliable GPS device, having navigation tools is crucial. Norway's scenic routes can lead to unexpected wonders, so be ready to explore. Reusable bags. Norway is big on sustainability. Bring reusable bags for shopping and to keep your road trip waste-free. Number 3. Transportation. Renting a car. For the ultimate road trip, renting a car is the way to go. Ensure your driving license is valid and book your vehicle in advance. All right, road trip aficionados, buckle up as we steer into the next topic on our Norway adventure, transportation, specifically renting a car. We're keeping it simple and straightforward, so let's dive in. Renting a car is a popular choice, and here's why. Norway boasts stunning landscapes, and having a car allows you to chase those breathtaking vistas on your terms. Whether it's cruising along scenic coastal roads or winding through picturesque fjords, a car gives you the keys to the kingdom. Driving in Norway. Understand the driving rules, road conditions, and the importance of fueling up before remote areas. In Norway, we keep to the right side of the road. So hug that right lane and enjoy the journey. Pay attention to speed limits, as they can vary. Stick to the posted signs, especially in residential areas. It's a bright idea to keep your headlights on, even during the daytime. It's a safety thing, and Norwegians take safety seriously. If you're venturing into the mountains, be ready for winding roads and spectacular views. Take it slow and savor the scenery. Norway loves its tunnels. When entering a tunnel, switch on your headlights. It's the rule. And don't worry, they're pretty well lit. Weather can be unpredictable. Check forecasts, especially if you're hitting the road in the colder months. Number 4, accommodation, camping options. Norway's camping laws allow for wild camping, but be aware of specific regulations. Campsites and cabins are also available. Wild camping. Norway is a treasure trove for wild camping. Pitch your tent in nature, soak in the landscapes, and relish the freedom. Remember though, leave no trace. It's all about preserving the beauty. Designated campsites. If you prefer a bit more structure, Norway has plenty of designated campsites. These sites offer amenities like showers, kitchens, and of course, those stunning Nordic views, cabins and huts. For a cozy retreat, consider staying in cabins or mountain huts. They're scattered across the country and offer a warm shelter in the heart of the wilderness. Caravan parks. Traveling with a caravan? No worries. Norway's got caravan parks equipped with essential facilities, making it a convenient option. Laws and etiquette. Respect the allemandsrett, or the right to roam. It allows camping on uncultivated land for a night or two, as long as you're considerate. Booking in advance, especially in popular tourist spots. Book accommodations in advance to secure the best options. Norway's beauty draws travelers from all corners, so planning ahead is key. During peak seasons, accommodations fill up fast, and popular activities might get booked out. Accommodations? Whether you're into hotels, cozy cabins, or campsites, booking in advance ensures you have a comfy spot waiting for you. Check out online platforms or directly contact accommodations for the best deals, activities, and tours. If you're eyeing specific experiences, like a thrilling fjord tour or a guided hike, booking ahead secures your spot. It's the best way to avoid disappointments and ensure a seamless adventure. Flexibility. While planning is crucial, allow for some flexibility. Norway's landscapes might inspire spontaneous detours, and you'll want the freedom to explore those hidden gems. Travel apps. Leverage travel apps to streamline the booking process. They often provide real-time availability and exclusive deals, making your journey smoother. Number 5. On the road. Enjoy the scenic routes. Norway is all about the journey. Embrace detours, explore hidden gems, and take the scenic routes for breathtaking views. Plan your stops. Norway is a visual feast, and you wouldn't want to miss a thing. Plan your route with notable stops for jaw-dropping landscapes, charming villages, and Instagram-worthy spots. Fjord friends. Norway is famous for its majestic fjords. Don't just drive past them, make time to explore. Take a ferry or a guided tour for an up-close fjord experience. Mountain magic. Norway boasts stunning mountain ranges. Embrace the winning mountain roads, and don't forget to snap pics of those snow-capped peaks. Waterfall wonder. Norway is the land of waterfalls, and they're not just any waterfalls. They're spectacular. Keep an eye out for signs indicating waterfalls along your route. Local flavor. Explore local eateries and roadside stalls. Norway's culinary scene is diverse, and trying local delicacies adds flavor to your road trip. Wildlife watch. Keep an eye out for wildlife. Norway is home to reindeer, moose, and a variety of bird species. Wildlife encounters make for memorable moments. Camping delights. Consider camping along the way. Norway's allemandsrett allows camping on uncultivated land, giving you the freedom to enjoy nature up close. Local cuisine. Try local dishes at small cafes and restaurants along the way. Don't miss out on traditional Norwegian cuisine. Seafood spectacle. Norway's extensive coastline means seafood is a must-try. Indulge in fresh salmon, cod, or perhaps a traditional fisherman's stew. Koldtbord bliss. Experience the Norwegian buffet, known as koldtbord. It's a spread of cold dishes featuring cured meats, cheeses, and pickled delights. Lutefisk adventure. Feeling adventurous? Try lutefisk, dried fish rehydrated in a lye solution. It's a unique dish with a distinct flavor. Tantalizing tunbrød. Sample tunbrød, a thin and crisp flatbread. It's a versatile staple often paired with cheeses, cold cuts, or spreads. Sweet Tooth Haven. Norwegians love their desserts. Savor a slice of kransekake, brunost bonanza. Don't miss brunost, a brown cheese with a caramelized flavor. It's a Norwegian classic, perfect for cheese lovers. Caffeine Fix. Norway takes its coffee seriously. Enjoy a cup of cafe, and perhaps pair it with a slice of skillingsbolle. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide for planning your first Norway road trip. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you're a seasoned road tripper or a first-timer like us, Norway promises an unforgettable adventure. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Travel Forever. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and share your road trip experiences in the comments. Safe travels, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy road tripping!